Hi everyone, my name is P. Sangeeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, FMA for KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Then Tiruchengodu. My topic is Entrepreneurial Development. Next, first one is meanings. An entrepreneur is a person who identifies an opportunity, starts a new business, organizes and manages it, and assumes the financial risk in the scope of the profit. They are the innovative individual who create value by bringing new ideas, products or services to market, often by taking a risk and coordinating resources like land, labor and capital. Next one is definitions. According to Oxford Dictionary, an entrepreneur is a person who sets up a business or businesses, taking a financial risk in the scope of profit. According to the International Encyclopedia, an entrepreneur is an individual who bears the risk of operating a business in the face of uncertainty about the future conditions. Concept of entrepreneurial. The concept of entrepreneurship is the process of creating, developing and managing a new business venture which involves identifying opportunities, taking risks and using resources to create value, often in the form of profit. It is driven by the innovations and the willingness to take calculated risk to bring a new idea to life, whether for a startup, a non-profit or a new profit within a existing organizations. Next one is 4 types of entrepreneurship. Small business entrepreneurship, scale-up startup entrepreneurship, large companies or big business entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship. Next one is characteristics of the entrepreneurial. First one is self-confidence. Second one is passion. Third one is motivations, product knowledge, ability to network, optimize, vision, goal mindset, risk taking, creativity, persuasions, decision making, tenacity, அடுத்தது money management. Next one is functions of entrepreneurship. Innovation, creativity, financial risk taking and achievements. First one is financial risk, second one is job risk, third one social and family risk, fifth one mental health risk. There are the risk taking and achievements. Next heading, organizations and management, market research, overcoming resistance to change, catalyst of the economic development. Next one is step in the entrepreneurial process. Discovery, first one is, second one வந்து concept development, third one resourcing, fourth one actualization, fifth one harvesting. Factors influencing: economic factors, social and cultural factors, technological factors, political and legal factors, psychological factors, environmental factors, demographic factors. There are the factors. Factors considered for the identifying your next business opportunities. When starting a business, availability of raw materials, access to customers, market size, need for the financing, internal demand analytics, patience management and skill sets. Next one is methods of analyzing and evaluating a business opportunity. Environment scanning, SWOT analysis, innovations brainstorming, market research, social listening and monitoring. Next one is thank you.